Join us in Maryville, Tennessee today as we work on a nearly 14,000 hardwood tear out, removal, reinstall, full sand and refinish for our clients in Maryville, Tennessee. You can see we've got to rip the boards out, pull every single one of these boards out. We're not removing everything in the entire house, only a portion of the house that was damaged by that hardwoods. You can see here we got most of it tore out now. We are going to reinstall. There was an area that you can see when we were pulling up was glued, tore up some of the subfloor, so we're having to level that back out. So when we go to reinstall, it doesn't affect it. You can see here, it looks great.
All right, guys, we are on, I don't know, I want to say like day 4. So we went ahead, took everything out here forward, replaced it with new flooring, 3 1/4 red oak. Came in, stained it. The stain color was warm gray, I believe, or rustic beige. I'll have to recheck that. But anyway, guys, clients just took a look at it. They're very, very pleased with it. You guys remember what it looked like before, that very, orange tone floor. So very, very happy with how it's turned out so far. Next, we go have our sealer. We're gonna go ahead and start sealing everything, putting the finishing touches. But you guys can see, man, this is a very, very unique and pretty color. We've never used this specific color before, but I like it a lot. I think it goes really good with the colors in the house, and I'm gonna be putting a satin finish on this, so stay tuned. Man, oh man, guys, we got that seal coat down, and these floors look incredible. You guys are gonna notice it's very, very shiny right now because we do have a sealer coat on there, and it just has a high gloss sheen. I don't want to say too high gloss, but definitely a very reflective and shiny coating. But really, I just want to admire the wood grain popping out, and it just, God, it looks so incredible compared to what they had, guys. That pre-finished beveled edge. When we put this new flooring in, it was a select grade flooring, guys. And the best thing about that select is when you sand and finish it, guys, it just has a beautiful, even appearance, very high quality flooring, and it just looks incredible, man. My clients are very, very happy with it, as am I so far. Very unique color. So now we're gonna go ahead and do our inner coat abrasion. Once we put the seal coat on here and we water pop the floors, we put stain. It raises the grain of the wood. So we're gonna go through and denib all of this. That way when they're walking on it, they have a very smooth floor and they don't feel, how it feels real gritty or rough. So we're gonna go through, denib it, put the final coat on, UV it, go ahead and come back through. We've gotta go ahead and put in our transitions. Got a little bit of glue here that we're gonna be addressing. We've also got a little glue on the baseboard. Guys, we're very transparent and honest. Mistakes are gonna happen. We had right here on the mantle of the fireplace, one of my guys accidentally hit it or nicked it during a removal or an install or something. Not sure what happened, but we're gonna go ahead and correct that with a little bit of Bondo and paint and a few other areas like that as well. And then put all of our shoe moldings back and get this wrapped up for them. Then we're also gonna be installing some LVP in this area for them, which they've went out to look for that flooring, and we're just now waiting for them to bring it back. So stay tuned. We're back. Everything is cured. We're gonna do the final touches on the baseboard. We gotta put some shoe molding back on and do a few touch-up spots. But man, these floors look absolutely incredible. Guys, I couldn't be any more pleased with the turnout of these floors. Let me turn the brightness up a little bit here. I mean, look at that, guys. Flawless, flawless, flawless execution. Very, very pleased with it. I am sure the homeowners are as well. Guys, this is, wow. Wow. What an incredible turnout. Guys, I hope you appreciated the video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We try and post as many videos and provide as much knowledge and education as possible. And guys, wow, man, just spectacular, spectacular project. As always, guys, we'll see you in the next one.